Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create and manage your hall passes all from your Connect tab. First, you're going to want to find your hall pass app on your Connect tab and open it up. Immediately, you'll see any active hall passes that you currently have. So for example, I have one for John right here. But let's say I want to make a new pass. All I have to do is come here and type in my name, select my user, and now I have to say where I'm going. So for example, let's say I want to go to the nurse's office. So I click the nurse's office, and now my hall pass is generated. Now, when I come back to the classroom and I want to clear it, all I have to do is tap on my name, and the hall pass is cleared. Every hall pass has a certain amount of time that it's expected to last for before it'll become overdue. You'll know a hall pass is overdue from your Connect tab when you see it highlighted in red and slightly flashing.